Today is April 19th. We're doing the science test for chapters 1 and 2 of California Science. Can you introduce yourself with your name and age?
My name is Việt. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Hanoi. My favorite subject is science, math, and English.
Good. Okay. All right, so plants and sunlight. Plants take in what and produce what?
Plants take in carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Okay. What chemical makes plants green?
Is chlorophyll.
And why are plants important?
Because they make food and oxygen for our life.
Good. All right, what is the difference between a producer, a consumer, and a decomposer?
The producer is making all food. The consumer doesn't living eat all the living things, and the decomposer is break down dead plants and animals.
Good. So can you give me an example of each?
The producer is a plant. The consumer is a tiger, and the decomposer is a bacteria.
Good. Okay, what is the difference between a herbivore, an omnivore, and a carnivore?
A herbivore is an animal that eats grass. The omnivore is an animal that eats meat and plants, and the carnivore that the animal eats meat.
Okay. And can you give us an example for each one?
The herbivore is a horse. The omnivore is human. And the carnivore is dinosaur.
Some, yeah. Okay, what is a food chain?
The food chain is the way energy moves from one organism to another.
Good. Okay. And can you name 3 types of microorganisms?
Bacteria, protists, and fungi.
Good. So small microorganisms called what?
Bacteria.
Good. Causalness. Very good. Okay. Can you describe what an ecosystem is?
An ecosystem is the place where the living things and the non-living things live.
Good. And so what components make up an ecosystem?
Living things and non-living things.
And what are some types of ecosystems?
The farm, the rainforest, the desert, the sea.
Yeah, good. All right. How do animals depend on plants?
Plants are their home, their food, and their life.
Okay. So they can be a home, they can be food, and they can also provide protection from predators.
Okay.
So the process of spreading seeds is called. So the process of spreading seeds.
Pollination.
Good. So what is a sweet drink found inside a flower?
Nectar.
Good. What is the part of the flower that makes pollen?
Stamen.
Good. And what is the part of the flower that makes seeds?
Protist.
Try that one again. The part of the flower that makes seeds. Starts with P.
Pistil.
Yes, there we go. Pistil. What are 3 ways that humans can change an ecosystem?
The pollination, the human purchase in the sea,
Okay, so humans.
human cut down tree, and human burn the forest.
Okay, so yeah, pollution, cutting down trees, and they might set up forest fire. What is the difference between an animal being endangered and extinct? And can you give me an example of each?
The animal in danger is they are going to die, like the rhino, and the animal that is danger, they are dead, like dinosaurs.
Okay, good. All right, blending into an environment is called
Camouflage.
good. What is an adaptation in which animals hide by looking like other living things?
Mimicry.
Good. So desert plants have many adaptations that help them survive with little. What is there very little of in the desert?
Water.
Animals that sleep during the day are called.
Sleep during the day.
Like an owl or some desert animals. Then they're awake at night and they sleep during the day. Nocturnal.
Nocturnal.
And what are some adaptations that help animals survive in a difficult ecosystem? So what are some adaptations that animals have in the Arctic or in the desert?
Waters, the bubbles.
Right, they have bunks, like a camel has bunks to store water. What about in the Arctic? Can you think of any adaptations? Do you remember what color a polar bear's skin was?
Arctic.
In the Arctic, yeah. So, Arctic animals often have white fur for camouflage, and maybe black skin that helps keep them warm. Good. Can you think of any other adaptations?
The bubbles in our tummy, like whales have bubbles.
Okay. So our stomachs are adapted to store water. Okay, yeah. Good.